Hey guys, it's Jillian. Are you busting your butt in the gym and watching what you eat, but the scale just won't budge? Listen up. You are not alone. Millions of people struggle with their weight, and it's often because of simple mistakes that sabotage their efforts. In this video, we're diving deep into the 5 biggest weight loss mistakes that could be holding you back from reaching your goals. And trust me, some of these will shock you. We're talking about those sneaky little habits that can completely derail your progress, leaving you feeling frustrated and defeated. But don't worry, I'm here to help you identify these pitfalls and equip you with the knowledge to avoid them. We're going to break down each mistake, explain exactly why it's hindering your progress, and give you actionable solutions to get back on track. Stick around till the end, because mistake number 1 is something even fitness gurus often get wrong. Okay, let's tackle this straight on. You might think that starving yourself is the fastest way to drop pounds, right? Wrong. It's a recipe for disaster. When you deprive your body of the fuel it needs, it panics. Think of it like this. You're sending your metabolism an SOS signal. It goes into survival mode, clinging onto every single calorie like it's the last one it'll ever see. Not only that, but drastically cutting calories can lead to intense cravings, making it harder to stick to your plan. You end up binging on unhealthy foods, wiping out any progress you might have made. Plus, you're not just losing weight, you're losing precious muscle mass, which is what helps you burn more calories even at rest. Instead of punishing your body with deprivation, focus on nourishing it with balanced meals. Think lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs. This approach will keep you feeling satisfied, energized, and your metabolism humming along smoothly. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's talk about those tempting fat-free and diet products lining the grocery store shelves. They sound like a dream come true, right? Zero guilt, zero consequences. But hold on, don't let those marketing tactics fool you. These products are often packed with hidden sugars, artificial sweeteners, and chemicals that can actually sabotage your weight loss efforts. Here's the deal. When you strip away the fat from food, it often loses its flavor. To compensate, manufacturers pump in sugar and artificial ingredients to make it palatable. These additives can spike your blood sugar, leading to intense cravings, energy crashes, and ultimately, weight gain. Instead of falling for these marketing traps, focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods. Choose foods that are naturally low in fat and high in nutrients, like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Always read the labels and be mindful of what you're putting into your body. Alright, cardio queens and kings, listen up. While cardio is fantastic for your heart health and burning calories, it's only half the battle when it comes to sustainable weight loss. If you're pounding the pavement for hours but neglecting strength training, you're missing out on some serious fat-burning potential. Here's why. Muscle is your metabolic furnace. The more muscle mass you have, the more calories your body burns, even at rest. That's right, you'll be torching calories even while you sleep. Strength training also helps to sculpt and tone your body, giving you that lean, defined look you're after. So ditch the cardio-only mentality and incorporate strength training into your routine at least 2 to 3 times a week. Hit the weights, try some bodyweight exercises, or explore resistance training. Your body will thank you for it. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, sleep often gets pushed to the bottom of the priority list. But skimping on sleep can wreak havoc on your weight loss goals. When you're sleep-deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased belly fat storage. Not only that, lack of sleep disrupts your hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, increases, making you feel hungrier than usual. Leptin, the satiety hormone, decreases, making it harder to feel full and satisfied. This hormonal imbalance can lead to overeating and weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to keep your hormones in check, your energy levels high, and your cravings at bay. Make sleep a non-negotiable part of your healthy lifestyle, just like exercise and nutrition. Alright, we've arrived at the #1 weight loss mistake that even seasoned fitness enthusiasts sometimes fall victim to: drinking your calories. Those sugary sodas, fancy coffee drinks, and even seemingly healthy fruit juices can be loaded with hidden calories that quickly sabotage your progress. Think about it. You can easily gulp down hundreds of calories in a matter of minutes without even realizing it. These liquid calories don't provide the same feeling of fullness as solid food, so you end up consuming way more calories than you need. The solution is simple. Stick to water as your primary beverage. It's calorie-free, hydrating, and essential for overall health. If you need a flavor boost, try adding slices of fruit, cucumber, or herbs. Unsweetened tea and black coffee are also great options. There you have it, the 5 biggest weight loss mistakes that could be holding you back. Now that you're aware of these pitfalls, you can start making conscious choices to avoid them and finally achieve the healthy, fit body you deserve. Remember, knowledge is power. And when it comes to your health, knowledge is the key to unlocking your full potential. So keep learning, keep pushing yourself, and never give up on your goals. Now that you know what not to do, want to learn how to protect your health? Watch this next 10 shocking signs your kidneys are in trouble. Click the video on your screen now.